Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel IT Blue. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you. Okay, now let's start the second part of cyber safety. In previous part we have started learning of protection. Now continue on that one. Here, take the screenshot of the web page that makes you uncomfortable. Right? Means you are not feel free or easy to share your information on that web page or that website. For that purpose, for that means you will take a screenshot. The web page address will be help in tracking its source. Right? Cyber cell, they can get the tracking of the source of that web page or websites. How you will take the screenshot? Press the print screen button on the keyboard. On keyboard there is a button print screen. Open Word or Paint, any version of Word 2007, 10, 13, 16, whatever, and Paint, and then after press Ctrl plus V or right click the mouse and click paste, and then after save the file. After the pressing Ctrl plus V or paste button, you will get the screenshot of that on the Word or Paint. Then you save your file. In that protection, you will use password properly, a strong password. Always use a strong password to secure your account online. It is very important. Do not share your password with anyone except your parents. You should follow the points given below to create a secure password. Password is very important for any aspects. Do not share to anyone. Share with your parents, but don't share to anyone. And very unique password you should give. Follow the given points to make a strong password. The first thing is that password length. Create a password that is at least 8 to 10 characters in length. This is because a long password with many characters will make it difficult for a hacker to crack the password. If the password will be long with the mix-up of the character, difficult to crack the password by the hackers. But should be remember that give that password which is difficult to the difficult for the hackers but easy for you can remember. However, keeping the password too long and complex may make it hard to remember. As I said that a 10 character password is considered to be sufficiently secured. At least 10 is more secure than the lower than of that characters. Make sure your password is unique but memorable. As I said, do not use the same password on multiple websites. This is very important. The same password do not use to the many platforms, social, financial or whatever. If one website gets hacked and your password is stolen, hackers will try it on another website. If same password will be there in the same or different platform, hackers can easily hack by trying to the different platform, different websites. Password complexity. The second aspect to a strong password is complexity. Means complex combination of digits or number. Preferably, a password should contain at least one character from each of the following group for it to be a strong one. Combination of character or digit. Uppercase you will use, lowercase you will use, number also you will use, means mix up of all these. Capital letters, small letter, numbers, special characters also you can use. Like I am giving you an example: capital letter A, small c, b, @493. Like that you can make. I am just giving you an example. Not only that, the following should be avoided while creating a password, as they can be easily identified. Right? Avoid these things whenever you are giving the password. Duplicating your username as your password. Try to be avoid by giving the username as a password. Using your own name, a family member's name, or your date of birth as password. Normally people are using that because they can easily remember. So try to be avoid these things: your name, family member's name, or your date of birth. Try to avoid, to not give the password as. Next is consecutive letters of the alphabets like A, B, C, D. Don't give them. Or consecutive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that can be easily hacked by the hackers. Remember the following about password to stay safe. Following things you should be remember. Check all your password at least once in every 6 months. Suppose you have given the password, so you should check regularly and change your password frequently. After 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, whenever you think that it needs to be changed, you can change. When you change your password, create a new one every time, not the same password. Suppose today you have given one password and after changing 3 times, on the 4th times you are using again the same password which you have used on the first time. So every time you will change the password by giving the new password. Avoid writing down your password or sharing it with someone. Try to avoid to write your password on the paper or somewhere else, and don't share to anyone. Avoid typing your password while someone is looking over your shoulder or when you are working on someone else's computer. Try to avoid it. You should find out somewhere as is standing around you or not, or CCTV camera or like that is looking to you or not. Be careful about that, and then after you should give the password. Or whenever you are giving the password to the other computer, be careful about that. Don't use remember password or stay signed in whenever you are leaving that computer. Logged out, then after you will leave the computer. Don't check the remember password or the stay signed in option on public computer. As I said, never. Not only the public computer or others computer, try to avoid this type of mistake in your own computer or mobile. Don't check remember password. Options are there to remember your password or stay signed in. Option, you don't check it. Be careful about that. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.